Hey guys, last night I got my Nielsen's in 235s, 498s for my AEA Challenger 50. Boy, these, if I can get a good focus here, these are really beautifully made. Nick, you really outdid yourself. It's amazing how uniformed they all come out. Nice hollow point, really big, and just beautiful. Can't wait to try them. This weekend I'll mount my scope and maybe I'll get a chance to go and shoot it. I'm expecting 2 more slugs from Lucky 7, a 314 and a 246-ish. I'll make another video when I get them in too. Alright, thanks. See ya.